Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create custom app icons on iPhone iOS 18. And here's how it is done. To start, long press on an empty area of your home screen and release when you enter jiggle mode. You should see an edit option, which is available on iOS 18 or later. Tap on Customize to begin editing the app icons. You can customize the icons in several ways. Icon size. Choose between small or large icons. Large icons will not display app names. Light and dark mode. Switch between light and dark mode icons. You can also set it to automatic, where it uses the system's theme. You can adjust this by swiping from the top right corner to access the brightness toggle, where turning dark mode on or off will change the icon colors. Custom tint. You can apply a custom color to the icons, but be aware that this may make the icons appear black instead of their original color. For this video, I will set it to dark mode. Wallpaper mode. You can also toggle whether the wallpaper appears in light or dark mode. Drag and drop icons. Long press on any app to move it around the home screen. iOS 18 allows you to place icons and widgets anywhere, unlike previous versions where apps had to be placed next to each other. And that is everything you need to know about how to create custom app icons on iPhone iOS 18. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.